एक नहीं एक बार ये सब अपने
थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्रुप में आप क्रॉस से करा दो थोड़ा पीछे पीछे बढ़
wait, no, move behind, move
Once
behind.
again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all our seniors here at the Indian International Fashion Clothing Accessories Show.
For the great success of our 10th year, give a big applause, everybody.
Friends,
Can I have a pen, please? Everybody? Excuse me, everybody.
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे मुद्दा मैम
मुद्दा में मेरा बाजूला सब सब हमने 15 में दिया
यहाँ पे सामने 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 देखिए
Listen, Madhu. Thank you.
ये मोबाइल पीछे
क्या कर रहे हैं?
आपको ट्राई करना फिर ट्राई करने के आपको देना पड़ेगा
थोड़ा पार्टी है ना few of them just happened unnecessarily.
And then you should see.
झालं आओ ना सर आपके बूथ पे आए और आप आराम से लो भाई हाँ ठीक हाँ बोलो मैडम बघायला
We are saying.
आइए
I didn't know. Very good. I didn't know that.
अभिषेक कट लेनी
चलो बाइट्स करना है वो
चला ना अरे राजा बाईट घेऊ ना आपण
हाँ बोलो क्या वो पिक्चर नहीं मिला
We don't have much Indian wedding, so we try to create this brand in India.
बस डन.
मैडम हाथ में वंदना जी हाथ में लो ना.
आप हाथ में लीजिए ना वंदना जी. आप देख सकते हैं.
मैडम इकडे वंदना जी.
Thank you.
आला माझा तू.
Guys, अभी उधर ही अपनी जगह पे.
Today, this is the inauguration for the new jewelry exhibition, and they have they finished 10 years. And women in jewelry always go together, so I'm here to support them. And it's really nice to see some different jewelry. And this is imitation jewelry, not real jewelry. So a lot of people can buy it, and there is no limitation on the big pieces. Yet, you know, in weddings, you have some people have to have budget. They have to go economic. So I think for them, this is the best exhibition. Yeah.
Which is your favorite jewelry?
I think I saw some jadao pieces, and they have really made the karigari is really nice. So मुझे वो बहुत पसंद आए.
ऐसी कोई मेमोरेबल ज्वेलरी जो आपको अभी तक बहुत पसंद है पहनना, नॉर्मल डेज पे भी आप पहनती हैं? और
मैंने मेरी पहली कमाई के बाद पहली बार ये सॉलिटेयर्स खरीदे थे, तो वो मेरे बहुत दिल के करीब है. एंड आई कीप वेयरिंग देम ऑल द टाइम. सो दैट्स माय प्राइस पोजेशन.
Ma'am, yesterday PV Sidhu won the silver medal. Any thoughts, best wishes?
Oh, I wished her all the best before she went for the game, and I think she really gave a tough fight, and we have silver now. I was wishing for gold, but she's fantastic, and she has got silver with a lot of grace. Yeah. Upcoming, I'm nothing is releasing right now, but I have shot for 1 or 2 films, and that should release soon. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi. Yes, sir.
Karima, tell us something about the inauguration today.
Well, it's my first time, and I didn't know there is such an exhibition actually exists in Mumbai. I'm so happy to be part of it, and I'm so happy to know that there is a place that you can buy all the fashion and artificial jewelry. Because sometimes what happens, it's for me, I prefer to carry my fashion jewelry, because you don't want to carry the expensive stuff and travel with it. So it comes very handy, and you know, there is a lot of variety that you can choose, and they have a lot of fashionable stones and a lot of colors. So yeah, very excited, and I wish them all the best for next 3 days and for future.
Something about your hearing which you're wearing.
Yeah, I'm really bad with names. Actually, I haven't asked my stylist the name of designer that I'm wearing, but I'm wearing a Payal Singh outfit today, and I wanted to keep it simple for a day, and I wanted to just have a little bit touch of Indian, so that's why I wore this earrings.
Any memorable jewelry you like, which you really like to wear on normal days?
See, I have this one necklace which I bought it with my first salary, the first money that I made, which is I think I was 16. So I got my first salary, and I remember I bought myself a small necklace which is a small little heart. So that's the jewelry that it's always with me. Yeah.
Bought that ring with,
That's, yes, I just got engaged, so that's my engagement ring. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yesterday the PV Sidhu won the silver medal.
Yes.
Any best thoughts?
I'm so proud of them, and I'm so happy for India that our girls are making us so proud, and it's amazing. Hats off to them. Yes.
Ma'am, one recently, when are you going to marry and which date actually you can tell?
I don't know the date. We just got engaged, so we're planning for a date. But definitely, the moment that we know, you will know as well. Yeah. Thank you so much.
If you want to be.
I'm coming for dinner. Yeah.
As we know, you are the Big Boss contestant.
Yeah.
9%. तो अभी बिग बॉस में हमें सुनने में आ रहा है कि सेलिब्रिटीज प्लस कॉमन पीपल भी इसमें हाँ तो व्हाट योर टेक ऑन दिस कितना अलग होगा ये
I'm sure it's going to be more drama. I'm sure it's going to be more fun because you're taking the normal people who are fan of Big Boss and then you keep them in that house. But I think it's going to be more interesting, and I actually can't believe that last year was the same time that I went to Big Boss. So good luck with Big Boss then. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Dubey ji.